In this video, we'll show you how to remove gear shift knob on Iveco Daily 4 in 4 simple steps. So this is the gear shift lever. You don't have to remove the gear shift lever from the car to replace the gear knob. It's just easy to show you how you can remove it. So first, remove by twisting or pulling your original factory knob from gear shift. You have to pull hard. If you can see there's a glue that is stick with the lever. So the next step is to remove the 10mm bolt from the gear knob right above the shifter. Then remove the metallic part from the gear shift. And then you just have to insert the new gear knob into the shifter. When you install it, ensure that the gear knob is firmly attached to the shifter and the shifter is working properly. You can find the new gear shift knob for Iveco Daily and Peugeot Boxer in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.